3's Jake and Gracia continues our vaccine coverage live tonight with more on the first vaccines arriving at Eisenhower Health today. And Jake, you spoke with the first doctors and nurses to get their shots. How are they feeling?
Karen, good evening. Yeah, those doctors and nurses and frontline healthcare workers say physically they're feeling fine. No pain or side effects just yet. But it's the sense of relief and even hope that they say they're feeling most.
We needed a light. We needed a light at the very end of this dark tunnel. And I think this vaccine was sort of that first step, that first beacon to get us through this pandemic.
Dr. Manny DeJesus, an emergency medicine physician at Eisenhower Health, the first frontline healthcare worker to be vaccinated there Friday, speaking to us just minutes after being injected with what some are calling the lifeline of this pandemic. He says he hasn't experienced any side effects, but is preparing for that possibility.
Sure, if I have to deal with little fever, body aches here and there, that's okay. I'm protecting my family, protecting my dear mother-in-law, my colleagues.
Parcels with 1,100 doses of that precious resource were unloaded Friday afternoon at Eisenhower Health, being stored in these super cold freezers. It's the second shipment of the Pfizer vaccines to hit the valley. First responders at Desert Regional Medical Center were vaccinated yesterday.
I actually didn't feel the shot at all. It was painless.
Dr. Jamila Holloway, also among the first at Eisenhower to be vaccinated. As hospitals fill up with coronavirus patients and local ICU capacity drops below critical levels, she's trying to hold on to hope.
In the last 2 weeks, we have seen quite a surge at our emergency department. It has been very hectic. We've had some really sad days, very down days, but I still have to stay positive.
A handful of vaccinations to those most at risk, the first step in the right direction.
And Valley hospitals are expecting more doses of those vaccines possibly next week. This next batch is expected to come from the county, unlike this shipment, which came directly from Pfizer. Reporting live tonight, Jake and Gracia, News Channel 3.